EQTV. That's me. Hi everyone, today you're watching EQTV. Today we're gonna play with slime. Let's get started. The first one is Glissy Duck. We gotta open and put the pizza gently. Okay, now it's time for slime. I see yellow, pink, white, and blue. That's some of them. Oh, and dark blue. It's sticking to my hand. It's so sticky. Ew. This looks so good. Wow. Look at this. There's another one called Mango Tango. Whoa. Whoa. It's bouncing around. Bounce. Let's go. It smells delicious. It smells like mango. Remember to be kind, be brave, be you. And hit the like button to subscribe for more videos. Toodles. Bye.